Hi everyone, my name is Nenneya, and I wanted to give you a quick video on my experience with the Make Money Speaking 3-day intensive. So Majeed, like magic, will teach you all about delivering your signature speech, which is critical for so many of us, but especially for someone like me. I'm a personal trainer and health coach, and I support Black women who are looking to lose weight, gain more vitality, gain more energy, and become more aligned in their body, okay? And the work that I do, I'm set on the work that I do. I know what I deliver to my customers and to my clients, but what was important to me was to be able to get really clear and concise with the way that I communicate that, right? As a coach, I need a 30-second pitch, right? When I'm in the elevator with someone, right? I need to be able to communicate to someone in 2 minutes or less exactly what I do and who I serve. I need to be able to talk to a client and feel very confident when they have a question for me about, what will you offer and what will you provide? And so this really helped me get concise and clear on who I am, what I offer, right? And how to speak to that from the perspective of the client, right? What aspect of my services do I need to highlight to make sure that the client knows I offer that for them, right? And how do I really put myself in the shoes of my audience, right? When I'm going to be giving these speeches, and to really connect with them on a level that helps them understand not only what I offer, but the value of that offer to them, right? And so that is what closes all of our deals, right? It's the value of what we're bringing to them. So right away, when you join the intensive, Majeed gives you the modules that you need to start getting clear in your signature speech and start crafting that right from the get-go. Then you have opportunities to meet with him one-on-one, which is fantastic. And then you're going to be part of this group on Facebook. You're going to connect with other people, with similar maybe coaching programs or programs like yours that are looking to do the same work as you, right? Get really clear on what they offer, their audience, and then you're going to craft a speech, right? You're going to craft this speech during your 3-day intensive, and Majeed's going to give you right away, he's going to give you feedback, and it is straight to the point, direct criticism that allows you to really amplify your speech and make it more appealing to exactly the people you want to hear it. So it's a wonderful program because you leave knowing that you have really gained something from it that takes you far and beyond. So what I did when I crafted my signature speech is I'm aware now that this will help me close deals. I'm aware now that I can speak more directly to the person that needs to hear from me. And not only that, but the most amazing thing was that for me during this process on day 2, I went ahead and posted my signature speech that I had been working on online for my clients, for people who follow me and throughout my network. By the next day, I already had 5 strategy sessions booked, and Majeed will walk you through kind of making sure that you post it and position it in such a way that you can be readily available to speak with them right away if they're interested in your program. So I had 5 strategy sessions booked, right? 20-minute sessions. I spoke with my clients and I talked to them, my potential clients, and I talked to them about what I offer. But my signature speech is what brought them to me. And so that was really exciting. And the most amazing part is by the midway through day 3, I had closed 3 deals, I had made over $5,000 from the fact that my signature speech was concise, straight, and to the point. And that's a huge win. So I'm on cloud 9, really enjoying this, and I absolutely got my values worth from this intensive with Majeed. Highly recommend that you give it a shot. If you're someone who's looking to get really clear, who wants to be able to speak directly, who wants to speak with confidence, and who wants a plan towards, what stages can you get in front of? Who can you speak to next? How can you grow your audience? That's definitely this 3-day intensive for you, because he will also, you'll walk away with a plan. Now, if you're looking for even more than that and you want to get better at your coaching skills and your coaching, kind of like your business development and your planning around that, this program is also great for you because Majeed has that experience. So as we're in the program with him, as we're in the days, where we're all talking together and learning what he's teaching us, he's also able to give us amazing nuggets about, his experience, about what works for him today, about the platforms that he's spoken on, the ones he will speak on, what his monetary goal is, right? Because he works you through monetizing for your signature speech and getting paid to speak. So that's make money speaking, right? So anyway, if you're even on the fence or considering it all, highly recommend that you just jump in and take the lessons that he teaches you, be teachable, and implement it right away. And you might also see some amazing results just like this. Have confidence in yourself and take this step. It's good for you and good for your business.